In a small and peaceful village, there lived a boy. His name was Tom. Tom was clever. He learned quickly. He had bright eyes and a sharp mind. People believed he could have a great future. His mother loved him deeply. His father worked far away, so Tom spent most of his time with his mother. At first, Tom was an ordinary child. He played with friends. He laughed often. But slowly, he developed a bad habit. One day at school, Tom saw a new pencil on another boy's desk. It looked better than his own. He looked around. No one was watching, so he took it. His heart beat fast. But when no one noticed, he felt excited. At home, his mother saw the pencil. She asked where it came from. Tom lied. He said it was a gift. His mother doubted him. But she said nothing. That day, Tom learned something dangerous. He learned he could steal and escape. Days passed. Tom stole again. A fruit from the market, a coin from the table, a toy from a friend. Each time, he became bolder, and each time, he was not corrected. His bad habit grew. Soon, Tom no longer felt guilty. As Tom grew older, small thefts became bigger ones. He stole money, he stole bags, he stole from neighbors. The village slowly changed. People became careful. Doors were locked. Windows were closed early. Neighbors became suspicious. But Tom did not stop. He believed he was too smart to ever be caught. One stormy night, Tom heard about a rich traveler staying in the village. The man carried gold. Tom's greed grew stronger. He decided this would be his biggest theft. That night, under dark clouds and heavy rain, he quietly entered the traveler's house. He searched carefully, room after room, drawer after drawer. Finally, he found a box of gold. His hands shook with excitement, his eyes filled with greed. But suddenly, a loud voice shouted, "Stop!" Guards appeared from every corner. It was a trap. Tom tried to escape. He ran fast, but it was too late. He was caught. The next morning, the whole village gathered. People were shocked. Some felt angry. Some felt sad. They remembered the clever little boy he once was. Tom stood before the judge. For the first time, he felt fear. The judge asked him, "How did you become this way?" Tom looked down. Then tears filled his eyes. He looked at his mother and spoke sadly. "The first time I stole, I should have been stopped." The crowd became silent. "When I stole small things, no one corrected me. When I lied, it was ignored. Small wrong actions became big crimes." His mother cried deeply. She finally understood her silence had helped destroy her son's future. Tom also understood his own mistakes. His choices had led him here. He had lost trust. He had lost freedom. He had lost peace. And worst of all, he had lost the good person he could have become. Before he was taken away, Tom looked at the children in the crowd. He gave them one warning. Do not let small wrong choices become your future. Every bad habit begins small, but can destroy everything. From that day on, parents in the village taught their children honesty. Teachers shared Tom's story. Children learned that character matters more than cleverness. And Tom's story became a lesson everyone remembered, because a thief is not made in one night, but through many small wrong choices left unchecked.